I see a lot of problems that arise when people try to DIY their divorce and solve it themselves. One of the #1 problems I see that just happened again today is where people mischaracterize what is marital property. A huge misconception is that if an item is in a particular party's name, that it's theirs. For example, one of the biggest things that I see is somebody says, well, my husband has this 401k, it's in his name, so it must be his. And when people settle their cases themselves, they leave a lot of money on the table. And that doesn't mean that they're being ugly or they're making their case contested, but parties are both entitled to an equitable division of the assets of the marriage. And so it doesn't matter if the house is only in one party's name, with the caveat regarding if somebody inherited something, there are some issues here. But generally speaking, if you guys have an asset, a house, an account, a retirement, an investment, something of that nature that just happens to be in one party's name, that doesn't mean that it is only that party's and the other isn't entitled to any division of that asset when you're settling your case. So even if you are trying to settle your case yourself, I always recommend having those documents reviewed by an attorney to make sure that they first are going to get approved by the court system, and second, that it is fair and equitable under law. And so if you would like to meet with an attorney to just get some information, have them review your case, but you really don't want to spend a ton of money or have the case blow up, so to speak, that's why we vet our members at the Amicable Divorce Network for being resolution focused, engaging in fair billing practices, and being experienced. And if you reach out to them and say, I just would like some guidance, I want somebody to put some eyes on this, or somebody to help us get this through the court system, professionals can help you with that. Because when you sign a settlement agreement and these other final documents in a divorce, they can be very difficult to change. So getting that correct information after the fact is too late.